My goal is to help you find the best battery to keep your GoPro charged and healthy during long filming sessions. There are many products available to choose GoPro battery, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best GoPro battery from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Artman Battery 1500mAh and 3-channel LED USB storage charger. This item comes with 3 additional batteries and a charger that can charge 3 batteries simultaneously. While charging, the charger's LED lights display a red color. Once fully charged, the indicator light turns green. This way, you can easily tell when your batteries are ready to go. Furthermore, the charger uses a standard USB to USB-C cable that's included. You can plug the charger into a computer or compatible wall adapter. Best of all, the 3 batteries feature a 1500 mAh battery capacity, larger than the standard 1220 mAh battery capacity that came with your GoPro. For this reason, you can expect better performance from these batteries than the one you already have. The Artman Battery 3-pack also features 4 layers of protection for short circuit, high temperature, surge protection, and overcharging. This means you don't have to worry about your new batteries getting damaged. However, the only downside of getting this battery pack is that it's made by an aftermarket manufacturer, and not GoPro. While many users have issues with unreputable aftermarket brands, Artman is well respected and trusted amongst the GoPro community. Number 2. Artman Hero 11-10-9 Batteries 1800mAh and 3-channel USB storage quick charger. This battery pack includes 2 batteries and a charger that can charge 3 batteries at the same time. As such, you can charge all 3 of your batteries before going out to record content. The charger also features a lid, so you can easily store the batteries you aren't using. The Artman Battery 2-pack also includes a standard USB to USB-C cable you can use to plug into a wall adapter or computer. A unique feature of this battery is that it has an 1800 mAh battery capacity. This is higher than the standard 1720 mAh battery capacity that came with your HERO 10 or HERO 9. Therefore, you can expect slightly better battery life from your Artman batteries. The only downside to choosing this battery pack is that it's made by an aftermarket manufacturer. Nonetheless, Artman is a trustworthy brand, and I've never had issues using its battery replacements before. Number 3. JYJZ PB Max Replacement Battery 3-packs and 3-channel battery charger. The JYJZ PB Max Battery 3-pack is the best battery replacement for the GoPro Max. This battery pack comes with 3 additional batteries and a charger that charges 3 batteries at once. Furthermore, you receive a standard USB-C to micro USB charging cable. This battery pack also includes a safety guarantee because it includes multiple protection actives for overcharging, short circuits, over temperature, and surge protection. In addition, the JYJZ PB Max battery pack is extremely high quality and fire resistant. Furthermore, the battery capacity of these batteries is 1600 mAh, which is the same as the battery that came with your GoPro Max. For this reason, you can expect the exact same performance and usability. However, it's important to remember that this battery is only compatible with the GoPro Max. You can't use these batteries in other GoPro camera models. Number 4. GoPro Rechargeable Battery. The GoPro Rechargeable Battery features an 1160 mAh battery and is only compatible with the HERO 4 Black or HERO 4 Silver. Unfortunately, this only comes with a single battery and doesn't include a charger or charging cable. In my experience, this battery performs precisely the same as the OEM GoPro battery that came with your HERO 4 Black or Silver. While I was skeptical about using an aftermarket battery for such an old GoPro camera model, I've never had issues with it. Therefore, the GoPro rechargeable battery works as you'd expect. However, I recommend purchasing an additional battery charger that can charge at least 2 batteries at once. This way, you can charge both batteries overnight before going out to film epic content. Number 5. Wasabi Power Battery and Charger. The Wasabi Power Battery 2-pack is the best overall battery for older GoPro models in the HD HERO 2 and HD Hero. This battery pack comes with 2 additional batteries and 1 charger. The charger features a fold-out US plug you can insert into a wall outlet. These aftermarket batteries perform similarly to standard GoPro batteries, and you can expect excellent battery life. The portable charger is also easy to pack and bring along on all your adventures. However, the best feature about this battery is its relatively low price point. For 2 batteries and a charger, you get immense value for the dollars you spend. Keep in mind that this battery is only compatible with the HD HERO 2 and HD Hero. It's not compatible with the GoPro Hero or GoPro Hero Plus LCD because these cameras feature a built-in battery that isn't replaceable. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.